All right, testing 1, 2, 3, go. Something's derailed.
Oh, something's derailed.
I told you this NS box
Take
cart
it off. Take it
doesn't
off,
like
then.
to do nothing.
Yeah, and I think that was... Make sure it...
You don't mind if your face is in my video, right?
What?
You don't mind if your face is in my video, right?
Wait, what?
Do you mind if your face is in my video? Okay.
I don't care.
Have you even showed your face in your videos yet, or no?
No. I technically can't leave the face reveal, but I have with giant sunglasses so I can see my eyes.
I need to put lights in this tunnel.
Hey, we're having issues again. Just showing the light.
Huh?
It's dead. The seamless mode.
Oh, that ain't good. That's not a good sign at all if it's doing that.
Wait, cut off switch. Fine.
Hand me the trolley real quick. Shut that off. Trolley me.
Trolley.
Trolley.
You mean my trolley?
Okay, turn down the power and turn it on. What? We burned up the engine. We seized it. Mark, that's bad.
What did we do?
We seized up the motor.
Ow! Hey, you behave.
What did it hit?
This hit the controller. I thought game speed. I think I'm... So now you have to find a replacement. Well, I think I know what our replacement is. Well, I'll look at that later. Joanne, we just had the train tracks just disconnected. Oh, wait. I'm just testing it. But we need to stop the trains or whatever real quick.
It's fine to keep the Pennsylvania locomotive moving.
Wait, stop.
It's going backwards.
I told you that thing runs smooth.
The wheels are slipping, look.
You had...
I can't believe that's seized up.
Yeah, that's annoying.
At least I think it did. Where's the other car at for this?
Do we just want to use that car?
What car?
Do we
Just that car?
Yeah, just this. Only one of these.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's going to cause more chaos than ever.
You're good, though. Something's derailed, Mark. Something's derailed, I said.
Okay, you go forward.
Mark, if you don't get that whole entire... This train will crash into that.
No. Fine.
You just...
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, this is our test moves.
Yeah, and then so far...
It's not going so good. Okay, take those out, please, and thank you.
What?
Or I'll do it. Stop!
Well, technically these are my things.
I know, but you're ramming into my stuff.
Did it decouple?
Yes.
Okay, you... Billie Jean. Wait, we need to fix the trees. Lake. Whatever this is.
It's a rock.
It's a rock, ain't it? Okay, can you stop eating a bread? I can see why you want to screw this down now.
And it's not good to run yet. Okay. You're good to run it now.
Are we just gonna run that?
is making me mad.
Yes, it is. Same for me.
Sorry.
It's dead now. One of these days you're gonna
One of these days, I actually am gonna throw one of my trains.
and then smash it to a million.
Turn that off.
Nope.
Put it forward. I said put it forward. Stop. Stop it.
Did you see how smoothly it stopped?
I know, everything stops smoothly on this track.
Wait, stop, and... But unfortunately, this truck has to be a prick about it.
Stop saying that word. I mean, it's facing the cardboard, but you can still see us. Okay, where'd you put that car at that goes on here?
Anyways, your mom.
I have it derailed, that's why.
Oh, you smart aleck.
Actually, I don't think it is derailed, actually.
Yeah, I think... Try and move it. Yeah, I think you damaged it.
I don't think the tracks fell together.
I can feel it hum.
Is that even... That's why. Every time you take it too fast, it derails. I'm about to freaking do this myself.
Don't you dare.
That needs to come up on the thing.
Can we... This just looks like a scrap thing. Do we just want to make it... Hold on, where's the other thing? Can we just make something look like a... Can we just put the steam locomotive or whatever, that Tyco one, make it look like it's being scrapped?
What steam engine? Which one?
The Santa Fe one. Since it doesn't work today for some reason. I just have an idea. How does that look?
Good.
Like bits and parts of it.
I need to get a layout. I need to give a layout tour.
And you, little one, I like you. You're... In fact, Julian, if you want that one, I don't care, because this thing, I feel like it's going to be a major project, this thing.
What about the Santa Fe car? You still taking that?
I'm still taking that one.
Okay. But I'll keep the Santa Fe train to see if I can get it to work.
Yeah, but...
In like a day or two, you're going to see it running on my track perfectly fine on my YouTube. And be like, how the freak did you do that? Okay, this is ready to run. I just had to... Hang on. This looks weird like that. Okay. Wait, stop. Stop. I said stop it now.
This thing looks like a piece of garbage.
What does?
It's sagging over here.
I know, because I don't have the boxes right on them. Okay, that's good. Oh my god, why are we having so much trouble doing this?
Screw this thing. Can we just run the trolley on this?
It's ready. The trolley's ready whenever. Take it slow.
Yeah, and we'll just make the Pennsylvania Railroad one forward.
You can see my lino in the background. Why the freak would you do that?
Just move that. Okay.
Thomas is derailed.
Fix him.
No, because we got stuff all over the tracks. We're not doing it. Mr. Sir Topham Hat.
Okay, fine. I'll do it then.
I got Sir Topham Hat right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Allstate's gonna need moved. Too.
Okay, let's see how this will work out now.
I need to buy HO homes and stuff. Slow that down a little bit to make it look like a natural trolley.
Okay, it's derailing over here. Okay. There, how does that look?
Good. I need to put lights. I need to get lights on that thing.
Yeah, I'm giving you that or the Santa Fe thing.
I want the trolley.
I'm surprised you want this thing over the steam engine.
That thing runs so much better.
So I have to fix that.
I'll try to fix that. I'll keep that one too.
Yeah, you can keep that Santa Fe look and then temporarily.
I wonder if I can buy lights from like Neely's or something and put it in on there and get my path to do it.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to keep that for now.
Yeah.
Keep that for now until you get it fixed. But of course, it'll have to be the next time I visit here to pick it up. But you can have fun running it for a while. I mean, you can use it for a bit on your layout. But for now, you just use it as like dressing or whatever. You know what I mean?
Use it as a prop.
Yeah.
Prop. Oh! I'm still recording. Okay, I need to find everything.
Okay. Well, this little guy is doing his business. I'm gonna run the steam locomotive. Oop. Stop being annoying. And then halfway through, we're gonna switch out the freight here. The passenger stuff. Because why not? Because we need a bit of passenger. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be the trolley line.
Yeah, probably.
I like it being the trolley line. Because it's the only thing that doesn't have to pull in. So basically, if you buy trolleys, you can just use this as your trolley layout for it. Are you gonna try and see if that thing still works? All aboard!
Up the front's missing.
Is your company the train still running?
Huh?
Ding ding.
Whoa! My phone stand almost fell on me.
Why do I like this so much?
Move that transformer down, thank you. Are you gonna record?
Right. So where's my phone?
Hold
Hold
on.
it again.
I'm recording right now.
Did you even...
I can text you real quick.
Did we turn off the train real quick? That way we can hear it.
Okay.
I just see it right here. I'm just going out with the toilet paper.
My question is, why is there no light in the trolley?
I don't know. Okay, now we're just going to be extra close.
Why?
Because we're going to be running stuff. Okay, you be at the controls, and I'll tell you, you be at the controls while I'm recording, and I'll try and keep them most of my time. We're going to do a running session, so stand by, please. Okay. Wait. Stop it.
What did you... At the rail. Oh, that's really hot.
What is? The Bachman? Of course it's hot. Okay, try moving it again. Okay, we run at a slow speed.
At the rail. Well, that's not good. Let's spend 5 hours trying to do this again.
You have to be joking me. And I was about to start recording too.
Are you recording?
No, I wasn't. Do we want to try the Santa Fe?
Oh, I'm using the wrong track.
I'm gonna try and use the Santa Fe real quick.
What? Hang on. Hang on, I'll be up. I started recording.
It's dead, little trolley.
I'll grab it. I'll do it.
Stop recording.
I can't because I don't have a pause on mine. Wait, stop that for a minute. I came on derailed over here.
And can you push that a bit?
What?
Can you push that forwards?
Yeah.
Or do I have to back up?
Is that good enough? Can you grab it?
Hold on a minute.
Is that not moving?
What is?
The Pennsylvania train.
It's moving.
Oh.
And you're lucky it is. Did it derail?
Yeah, mine. Oh my god, rocket! I feel like I...
It died. What? What's so funny?
Nothing, it crashed into the thing. Wait, stop for a second.
Did it die?
Shut it off. We're gonna try the Santa Fe.
I tried it earlier. It went kaput. You have to fix it. I'm not even recording.
Okay. Start it real quick.
It's doing the same thing, isn't it? You. Serenity again, boys!
I got like the magic touch.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Okay, shut that off because the whole entire train could have.
Is it? I think the tunnel got so.
It did. I'll fix it.
Okay, I'm taking out this middle New Jersey thing because the coupler's messed up on it. It's gonna be a short train, but I think that'll be better, really. In fact, why do I even have this Norfolk Southern thing on here? That's not even a good idea. Also, your little yard here or whatever, it's starting to
Pile up.
Yeah. Also, move Thomas out of the way. He's kind of blocking my shots.
It looks like a hydroplane. I got him. I'll get him. Just let me fix my track. I'm keeping this right here because it looks cool right here.
Thomas the Tank Engine taking a dump.
Okay, what cars are we using for this now since it's running?
The Santa Fe!
Santa Fe. Oh.
Wait, have you seen my drink or whatever?
Oh, no. Your tea? Right there.
Okay.
I'll grab it for you. Your mom.
Your mama's so ugly.
That's not a good place.
No, it isn't. You.
I'll set it up here on the nightstand.
Okay.
I just busted my knee on the table.
Hold on. No, your little phone stand's being a joker again.
Can I have that phone stand?
Well, then where am I supposed to put my phone?
This is only temporary for the steam engines.
It died on me again.
Dang it.
Wake up, you dumb thing.
I got it.
Wait, no. I see our issue. No, and it just had...
Or it came undone like it always does right here.
No, it's coming down on these stupid curves.
Did you shut the train off?
Come on.
Hang on. First of all, the car's derailed.
Do we just want to get some Pennsylvania Road action?
Can I run the Pennsylvania locomotive?
Alright, well, I'm at the main controls. Wait, we need to put on a caboose. Wait, put on the NS caboose.
Where's it at? There it is.
And can you put like another... Oh, anyways, tree. That's a dumb idea. Wait, is it okay, yeah, wait, which one was originally your conversion car? No, like before
I never had one.
So, that's your first conversion car, right?
Yeah.
Wait, why isn't it? Oh.
You're good to move it.
We'll move. We'll move it. Yeah, this track is not doing well. You're gonna have to fix it here. Pennsylvania Road action. Yeah, you fix the track, dude.
First of all, this track isn't even on there together.
Oh boy.
What's wrong?
Oh boy. Why do I like this one so much?
What, the Pennsylvania one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And you know how much I got for that?
What?
$5 or $10.
Okay, Santa Fe should be good now.
Santa Fe!
It's on, it's...
Santa Fe! Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That is in the wrong direction.
Try it.
I don't know. Come on. Don't be a dumb motherfucker.
You're gonna have to move, because I'm gonna have to move. Can you move, please? So I can get back here and fix my track.
Fine.
I'm gonna take the Santa Fe off.
Yeah. Good. Wait, where did you get this from?
My mom bought it for me a long time ago.
Slow it down a bit, the trolley. Like, can we make it go the other way? It was a lovely day on the NS Train Productions layout. And there were some new friends on the layout. And one would stay permanently while two would have to go. Anyways.
Drew itself right off the track.
Go.
We call this fast.
Stop, River. You should. Gosh, help us all.
I need to build a light. I wonder if my tab would let me build a light now. Damn, my crap's bent.
On the ACS. Wait, what? Now, can you stop the train real quick?
You can't. Huh? Huh? Where's your camera at? The Santa Fe's not even going that fast, and the Pennsylvania train's struggling so bad. Hope the Santa Fe's catching up. Oh, it's shaking so bad.
Can you stop recording? That's going. Not going. Sport. Which one's the one that continues it?
I forget.
It was the red button, huh?
Stop it. That was a ghost train. Okay. You have to stop letting it fly so fast.
Oh, was that 100? It was at a max power. I'm
Why?
just gonna set it to 75. Was that reasonable?
Yes.
And the train is like going at. I'll just turn it on.
0 miles per hour right now.
Main line. And we just want to have them running side by side. Wait, do you have a flatbed or whatever?
A flatbed? Yeah, but it's yeah. Why? What are you gonna put on it?
For our grand finale, we're gonna flip the train around. Actually.
Why? Oh, you want me to flip it around?
Yeah, flip that train around, and then I'm gonna have them running parallel to each other. And then the trolley's gonna ride in this car. Let me bring it over. Okay. This thing is like one of the heavy ones. And then I'll bring it back over here and stuff. Do you think the trolley on this flat car will even fit under the tunnel?
Yeah, probably. I thought this would light up.
Yeah, I thought so too. That's still cool nonetheless to have little passengers in there. Suffering.
No, look. Mark.
Hey, Julian, your coupler's being a brat.
Look, Mark. Just push it down here to me.
And besides, that needs... And there's...
And yes, the trolley does fit.
Alright. Wow, that actually fits in there.
It fits completely right.
Okay, we're gonna get...
My train table needs cleaned up more.
Yeah.
That's all you see in my background? Look.
That. Yeah, can we clean that up a bit? Can we just put everything on the ground?
No, because my papa will yell at me. Okay.
Where's your papa yell at you?
Because he knows how to keep model trains good to keep. And the one rule is, don't put it on the floor.
I didn't even put on the cab yet. Stop.
Brother, ooh.
Yeah, the shop there. Come on. Okay, they're right next to each other, aren't they?
Yep.
Okay, here goes. Nothing. Oh, that messed it up completely. This proved to be more difficult than ever. Okay, are you recording?
Yeah.
This is a bad idea. Did you die over there?
Hang on, it's derailed. Santa Claus! Ow!
Did I just shock you?
A little bit, not that bad. Hang on, I don't have it covered yet. The cabs. Oh, okay, you're good.
Can we put my phone in a different area?
Nope.
Can you monitor my phone and like record or whatever?
You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Got you.
You're showing my face. And I don't like that. I don't know why you just can't.
I don't have your face, Miguel.
Okay. It's the rail.
Hang on. It should be good now. Oh my god.
It's still not working. Jesus.
Is the shotgun done over there?
I can't.
There's your problem.
You. No, you. Is the truck okay there?
For what?
That is the train okay?
What train?
The Santa Fe there?
Yeah, why?
Okay, just a little bit. I feel like the freight train that we have is a nice slow pace. Are we clear?
No. Okay.
I think it's derailed already. Stop the footage.
I put myself on camera. No, I was recording.